I will walk through the whole process of creating an app on iOS store. So let's get started the video. So first of all, you have to open your browser and you have to type appstoreconnect.apple.com, and then a new UI will be appear here, and then you have to click on apps here, and then you have to click on add app. You can also click on plus icon. This feature will be only visible if you have no apps, otherwise you have to click on plus icon from there. I am clicking here. Then from here you have to select platform iOS, macOS, tvOS, visionOS, and then here you have to select your app name. I am selecting my app name, and then from here you have to select your language. Then from here you have to register. So for creating app you need a bundle ID. You can also get a link in the description. I've already explained in the previous video, or you can just click on certificate, identifier and profile, and you can create a new bundle ID. I have already created, so I can select that. From here you can enter any SKU, and then from user access. Limited access means your app has limited access, and but full access means your app has full access. So I'm creating here, and then I have to select on full app, and then I have to hit on create. Then you have to click on full access, and then from here if create button is visible in front of you, and then you have to click on create, and then Apple will create a new app for you. And from here you can, now your app has been created. Now you will be able to manage your app, each and everything. You can use TestFlight and each another option. In the next video we are going to explain all about this video. So let's subscribe to the channel. Videos link in the description. Hopefully let's meet in the next videos. Thanks for watching.